Hey there, it's Hammy time. I wanted to do a quick video to let you know that I have a Redbubble shop linked to my channel now. My shop is not selling channel merch at this time, it's just hamster merch. A while ago I designed a I Love Hamsters sticker. I wanted to make one because when I go to the pet store there's a wall next to the register that's covered with I Love My Dog or Cat stickers. I never see hamster stickers or any hamster merch anywhere in stores, so I knew I'd have to go online. Since I had to go online, I decided to create a custom sticker and have it printed. I wanted a classic bumper sticker style design, so I used this classic generic font. I added the hamster nibbling on the heart because if this were a photograph and the heart was a prop, the hamster would probably try to eat it. This first one I made has one of my past hamsters, Gimli, on it. He represents the Campbell's and winter white dwarf hamsters. I have one with Millet, my past Robo, and my past Syrian hamsters as well. I intend to create art for every variety of hamster I can think of. I'm currently working on Chinese hamster art and I'll be adding that soon. I plan to make art for rats, mice, guinea pigs, bunnies, and basically anything that's not a cat or dog. I just recently added a bunch of artwork to my shop. Here's some of the art that I have so far. Last year I ordered a small sticker and a couple of shirts. I'm really happy with the quality. All of my art is available on various products. If you're interested, just click on the art and it'll show you what it looks like on a product, and below it you can choose other products. When I ordered my shirts, they took a while to get to me, but the sticker was sent separately and got to me really fast for a custom print. So that's my shop. If you have any suggestions or requests, you can let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.